I had an instant class 3 pec tear doing bench press in the gym. It was very, very painful as soon as it happened. I had surgery within a week to get it fully reattached. I was immobilized for about 6 weeks. I was confined to a chair for weeks. I couldn't do anything, even drive a car for a while. I think my first appointment I got driven to Premier. It was pretty much, I was almost non-functional with the whole left side of my body. But it was almost within a week or two of going that I could put clothes on and put a t-shirt on by myself, which was sometimes something you take for granted. I did go to some regular physical therapy appointments, and in those physical therapy appointments, all they did was move small muscle movements around to try to get some small movement. And really, I didn't see any benefit from that. They didn't help me out at all. As soon as I got injured, I was lucky enough to have a friend at the gym already going to Premier, that the first conversation we really had was, cannot wait till you get the opportunity to be able to even go to Premier, because it's going to do wonderful things for you. And I was absolutely skeptical too. I was a little hesitant just because it's something that has not been out there a lot and not a lot of people are doing, and it's not the most traditional form of physical therapy that you see most people going to a physical therapist and doing just traditional movements and stuff. But that hesitation was quickly put away after my first 5 minutes in the session. I tried doing a little bit of research on my own, and I had luckily a friend that referred and had discussed it with me. But when I went in and sat down and saw the science and saw the visualization and saw how the setup was, it made a lot of sense, and it really hit you how it was going to truly work once you sat down and talked with Evan. The first session, within 5 minutes, you can feel and see the difference. There's a work and pain that goes with it, just like all recoveries from injuries. But this is a great pain, because you know it's working. You know that you're going to be able to recover faster. You're not going to have any lingering pains, and you're going to be able to do more than you could, faster than you could. Unlike physical therapy and other things, there's sometimes weeks in between you getting any kind of flexibility or any kind of movements back. I could tell instantly when working with Evan through sessions. I could tell instant range of motion, instant strength back in areas. So it was instant gratification. Your body is also working hard, and if you've ever worked out before, you know that working hard means results. And you were definitely working hard to get through it and really accomplish what the goal is for that day. The recovery period should have been 6 to 8 months, but going to Premier 2-3 times a week as often as I could, I was able to actually start lifting right before a 4-month period, even working out even before that. So the recovery and period time was amazing. Really, I wanted to make sure that at my age, my body was able to recover and be fully functional so that I can continue my lifestyle and do on all things I want to do, from surf and playing golf and working out. I wanted to make sure that I get my flexibility back. I wanted to make sure that I could start to get some of my strength back. And I got that back quicker than I could have ever possibly imagined by going through sessions. It really blew my mind. It really opened me up to a whole new world of a way to recover from an injury. I try to tell even anybody that even has a slight pain these days, I feel like I try to tell to go, but I would force someone that I was really close to go, essentially, because it was the quickest, the best recovery that I could imagine, and it's the only thing that I would see myself doing going forward. I'm back in the gym, working out. I've got full flexibility. Everyone that sees me working out is impressed at how I'm doing what I'm doing, and I give kudos to you every day. If I could send every single person who has the slightest pain in their body to you, I would. 1,000,000 times yes, worth it. It was so worth it that you want to come back for more.